Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too. Because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
Good morning. It is, what is it? It's Monday, May 11th. Goodness. Pardon my camera angle from back here. Having some lighting issues, so I think it's the best angle to do it from today. You can still see my screens just the same, you just won't see my glowing face the way you normally do. I wouldn't say normally, half the time I have this green angle up anyway. Alright, what are we doing over here? Looks like we're on a little bit of a push up right now. About 19 minutes before our 8 o'clock session officially gets kicked off. Alright, let's get this get a couple things taken care of here before we get going, get looking at everything. Make sure I have the proper YouTube chat window. I think that's right. I believe that's right. All right, let's calm it down a little bit here. Maybe not that one. Let's go into a little bit of that. All right, let's get our live chat overlay up here. Now the chat is open. Let's get the stats panel updated from last night. Okay. All right, let's turn the music down just a bit. Gotta get in the zone. Let's light our superstition candle right here. I'm not superstitious. I'm only a little stitious. Okay, let's take a look at what we got. How we're going to make our money this morning. All right. Well, the full briefing is on the website. So if you go to the BarcelonaTrader.com and you go from there to live streams, at the top of the page on live streams is there's a sentence there that says everything you need to know to trade gold today with us, click here. That will take you right to the full pre-market briefing and our game plan for today. In the meantime, and when you're there, you will also see a bunch of links. Once you get to the briefing, you'll see a bunch of links that will help you understand what we're doing here, what indicators we use, how we trade, explanations of just kind of what we do here and why we do it. Okay, that's the 1 minute chart. No sense looking at that. Let's look at a 15-minute chart. What the market has been doing since it opened. Here it is. Okay, so we have the market dropped to here. This orange line right here is where we have the official market open. All right, it continued to drop from there, came all the way down here to 46.40, 46.48 or something like that, and is now kind of in this technical recovery that it's having trouble with. It can't really push up there. Something's blocking it. The yields are high, the dollar is high. Those things are weighing down on the price of gold right now. If we put our indicators back on here, you see that we are in a downward channel. This box here is the Asia session. This box here is the London session. We're coming into the New York session here, which will start in about 13 or 14 minutes. All right, where price is sitting right now, we're sitting right on the MPP, the monthly pivot point. Support is being found right down here on the WPP, which coincides also with the DM1. So this is kind of where we are. If we look at this on a smaller time frame, let's go back to the well, let's put the indicators. Yeah, the indicators are back on. Okay, if we go back to the 1 minute, we see we're in a pretty solid uptrend here. If I try to put price in a horizontal box, well, let's go ahead and do it. We'll see what happens. So here's our box. Let's try to put price in this box right there. All right, we'll see how long that lasts. That box is 4 pips wide. And we're gonna call this Monday, New York opening range. Okay, we are bullish, but we understand that there are a lot of market forces weighing down the price of gold. So right now we notice that we've pushed up here above the MMP. So this might be a short, because it doesn't seem to have the moxie to shoot up into it, right? Yeah. Sure, it might still want to go long from there. Getting mixed indicators. I don't want to miss this, what could be a really great short here, though. Probably needs a little more volume to come into the market before that really happens in earnest. See what we have the dollar doing down here. The dollar's going down a little bit, so that's not helping our cause. Okay, here we come. Is that enough to make it worthwhile? That's the question. I don't think so. Whoop, hang on. Okay, I got into the sell. Let's see how long it takes me to get out of this with joy or regret. In the meantime, I'll get the Zoom room opened up. There we go. I can take some of this. That's what I was looking for the whole time. Yeah, I got about 33 there, I think. Nothing to write home about, but you know, nice little scalp. Get my journal out here. Looks like I might be able to get back in here. Sitting on that MPP though. Not as much as I would have liked, but I'll take the $9. We hit a support, and I got cold feet. But it's still a win. It's not a break even. All right, so it's not even 8 o'clock yet, and we've taken 2 trades. Both of them wins. Both of them sells. So we're just kind of waiting to get our session started here in about 5 minutes. I put price in a box here just to have a reference of where price was when we sat down. We're having a breakdown below that, below my box right now. We'll see if this signifies a reversal or if we're going to continue or consolidate. We don't have any economic news this morning really that's going to impact gold. So we're just looking at our, the normal times that we like to look at things and keep track of what our next best trade is going to be. Right now the trade I was looking at and took was basically a push up into the MPP area, which happens to be right where our box is. So it was push up into that MPP area and then look for a short down. And that's what we did. I took 2 shorts on that descent there. And I'm thinking about going again. Coming right back down to the support where I got out last time. So needs to break through that in order for me to feel like there's more to get from this trade. You see that here on the Renko. I'm waiting for it to break this support right here. So we're just sitting on our hands right now, waiting. Up here in the upper left corner, we have the we have gold, spot gold on the 1-minute chart. I can also just flip to it here on the left where we see it full screen, but I like to keep track of it on my execution screen. Here in the middle pane, we have gold futures on the 10-second chart. I'm trading gold futures, which move in tandem with gold. You can trade them exactly the same. You can be watching the gold chart and be blind trading on the gold futures chart, and you're going to, it's the same. Down here on the bottom, I have the DXY, which is the dollar measured against a basket of 7 other foreign currencies. The dollar, gold is priced in dollars, so when the dollar moves, gold tends to move inversely. If it doesn't move inversely, then it's telling you something else. That's a different market condition. We can talk about that sometime when that happens. Over here on the bottom right, we have the US dollar versus gold strength indicator. Let me squat that down just a little bit so we don't have information in the pane that we don't need. Right down there. There we go. All right. And then over here on top, we have, on the top right, we have the Renko, which is spot gold, and it moves based on price, not on time. You can read about that as well on our site and in those links when you get to the analysis page. All right, it is just 40 minutes before that 8 o'clock candle. Okay. Coming up in through this area here. On that 8 o'clock. Getting that little push up there. Can't always trust that. Whatever the first move is.
Morning.
Hey, good morning, Tono.
Good. How you doing, man?
All right.
What's the symbol? Good, man. What's the symbol for the futures contract? Is it MGC?
It is. Well, yeah, it's MGC1 if it's like the continuous contract. If it's the specific contract for this month, it's MGC M6.
No, just for the futures just for futures gold. So it would just be MGC then, right?
Yeah, MGC1.
MGC1?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Save this. Can you turn the music down just a little?
Yep.
Nothing on the 8 o'clock candle?
Not really. It pushed up a little bit. Everything clear on my screen? My bandwidth stuff? Yeah, okay, good.
That looks good. Gold is a little stronger than the dollar, but it doesn't seem to want to go up, even though should fill that gap.
Yeah, I mean, high yields and strong dollar are weighing on it.
Yeah.
Not letting it go up. So you're still in that buy? No, you got out. You got out of the buy. You're still in it.
I'm stuck in it. Yeah, I'm being it for a minute. I didn't expect it to be a quickie anyway.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they flushed out all of the scaredy cats.
Yeah.
That I'm holding. I got enough room in my account to hold it for a minute. think as long as it stays below 46.70, 46.65, we're going down.
Yeah, yeah, I
If
think
it
so.
hits them, 64 is a DM1. If it hits that and it holds, we're going back up.
Yeah, that WPP area there too.
Yeah. Yeah. I have that. Yeah.
If we can get below the support on the 1 minute Hakanashi, there's probably a sell. Oh, I picked the wrong week to stop sniffing glue.
That's if you're
A boom boom stick, right? Right. That's a line from Airplane. Remember that movie?
yeah.
Picked the wrong week to stop sniffing glue. Come on, Chadwick.
What is going on? Nada.
Nada. It is.
There's no volume in the market today.
No.
What are they waiting on?
Comex open in a few minutes. Sitting on our hands. Sitting on our hands, making gold come to us.
Be a long day.
It's all right. We show up in the morning, we mine a little gold, and then we get on with our day.
Wants to fill the gap, but it's just shaking people loose.
Yeah.
It's not making it easy for us to fill it.
Yeah, hitting the MPP again right now. One minute for COMEX. Do you prefer bullish days or bearish days?
I don't really care. Long good move.
Mm-hmm.
That was MGCJ, right? One.
Yeah.
MGCJ.
MGCM.
MGCM. One.
MGCM, yeah.
No one.
There might be a one, yeah.
I'll just take the one off this. Make it up.
What the fuck? I did not press a button. And it got me into a cell?
Oh shit.
Shit, I'm in trouble. I hope it comes down. I'm 192 negative on this.
Oh, that's not good.
No.
Starting the day off with that is not a good day.
Is it coming back down or is it going to keep going up? Keep going up. Stop me out. I should have just exited when I realized I was in a wrong trade, but
That indicator, I
Yeah.
showed yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
it put a buy sell in at 46.69, and it didn't take profit for it was 46.94, 25 pips.
Wow. And you got them all?
No, I didn't actually trade it because I was working on this other one for you. I wasn't paying attention. I got to focus now. Actually, even though, yeah.
1 minute for 8:30. $8:30 right there.
We're coming up on DM2,
Yeah.
98. I think what breaks that 700 psychological mind, we're going back up to
Yeah.
the gap.
You guys gonna come down here now? Doesn't want to come down. Not right now. Yeah. Yeah. Really. Really. Well, yeah, that was right. Yeah, I gotta get with it on the syndicator. Oh, come on. Mm. Yeah. Oh, good. Should still have some juice. Did it? God damn it. I see. So that's where it says entry there on the 10-second chart. That's where you get in. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, I see. Yep. Right. Right. Ah, shit. Yep. Ah, fuck. I should have got out. That's a good indicator. Yeah. Right. Just taking the $15 because can't tell what it wants to do. Yeah. What does that mean? Buy LQ. Oh. So what is it detecting there? Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Huh. Okay. Yep. Yep. y- Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm. The buy liquidity and the sweep long are the same, telling me the same thing. Mm-hmm. Right. And how did you build this? You used Claude and you just told it what you wanted, or how did it do it? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm. Right. Mm-hmm. I see a sell LQ. Yep. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. 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 Right. Whoa. What's going on here? So you're gonna sell, right? Oh. Yep. Yep. So what do you do? Nothing? Mm-hmm. Yeah. We're bear score 2. We'll score 1. Yep. Oh yeah. Right. I see. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Take another sell here. The what? Oh yeah. And false alarm, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. No. I didn't see it hit 705. Asia. At the top of Asia, yep. Yeah. It's a buy signal. Yeah, I see that right there. So what do you do? Yeah. 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 So that little box that formed is a liquidity box, and what does it mean? Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Right. Right. That makes sense. That makes sense. I like this indicator. I think I need to get a little more used to it and figure out how to incorporate it onto my, onto my screen. Oh, for the one on for the futures. Awesome. Yeah, sweet. Yeah. So yeah. Actually, I'm gonna. Yeah. Yeah, we've got the DM2 that we're hitting right now. Yeah. Yeah. Feels like it is, yeah. Yeah. I'll be right back. You take any of that up? Right. Yeah. I think I'll go. Yeah. Yep. Sorry, I was looking at my other screen. Oh, yeah. Oh, so it's telling you not to even take profit until, like, this, that I should have stayed in it. That's what it's telling me, right? Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yep. 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 Yeah. Right. Yeah. In the liquidity box, you say buyers because it's yellow. So it detects that there's more active buyers there than sellers. Interesting. What's it telling us? Yeah. Right. Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, no, of course. That's, I mean, that's the way everything works, right? But, but, why, like, what inspired you to build this indicator? And, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Got it. Yeah. Let's take a buy. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, I would. Well, but that's me. Where's my TP on this? Oh, it's just... But it just formed a... Didn't it just form that sweep short? Yeah. Right, yeah, clearly. I don't see the buy box coming back in. What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Point of control coming up. It's like a cell. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm beginning to see the error of my ways here. I was trying to counter trend this and it's not working out for me. No, yeah, I'm doing both. Check what out. What about it? Oh, your trade's on the screen? Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm in a trade right now. I can't. Yeah. Tell me about your trade. I can't, hang on. Was it 1051? Wow. Yeah, that's the one that, yeah. Yeah, I think this is coming down now, right? Shit. MJ McCready, remember? You, All right, so I'm watching the indicator here. Okay. Take a buy. Where's the exit? Yeah, I made like $9. It showed me 30, but I didn't get out. Yeah. 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 Right. 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 Okay. Yeah. Another buy here. Okay. Yeah. Now another entry just formed, right? Right. Yep. That's what indicators are, right? I'd keep going. Now I'm in drawdown. Come on, get us up there. There we go. I'll take that. $182. Uh-huh. Yeah. Right. What does this say? Oh, that was an entry for the buy earlier, right? Yeah. 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 Get another buy signal here or what? Now it's the buy? Okay. Okay. Meaning that you got in it before me? Got it. Not looking good here. 84. 93, 90. If it gets to be 100, I'm just going to jump out because I don't, you know, what's the point? I was getting chopped up. It's 3 micros. So $30. What time is it? 9:26. We got a few minutes for 9:30. I'd like to not be in this trade at 9:30. Yeah. Don't know why. Okay. Shall I take the sell? Yeah. I'm down now. One minute for 9:30. I took a buy. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I just want to make sure I'm reading this correctly. So right, okay, so right now it said sweep short. That just appeared. Yeah. So but that doesn't really mean anything because there's no active trade. No, no. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Well, wait a minute. The yeah. Mm-hmm. Wouldn't you, but but after that trade, you have a change of character, then you have a sell low, and then you have a sweep short. Those things wouldn't have been telling you to get out of that trade? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I see. Okay. Right. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Got it. Right. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Got it. Oh, yep. Okay, so shall we get in? Wait for the Renko. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm going down. Now I'm, damn it. This, no, I thought it was going up, and then you said now you can get in, so I just went. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's barely poking up. I'm thinking I'd just get out if it gives me a little bit. Do you have confidence? Think so? What number's that? 4741. Yep. Okay. No, I'm 9 negative right now. There, now I'm 46 in profit, 49 in profit. $50. Mm-hmm. Now, there's no sell entry here right now, right? Yeah. So let me ask you this. If you're trading with this indicator, are you waiting for this indicator to give you a signal, and after that you use your judgment based on whether you really want to get in or exactly timing your entry? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah. So do you ever would you ever do the opposite where you're watching the screen and you're going like, this feels like a sell. It's not giving me the signal to sell, but to me it feels like a sell. I'm going to get in. Yeah. So right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So your rule is always wait for the signal from this indicator now. Your hard and fast rule. Always wait for a signal from the. Yeah. No. And yeah, I got an entry. Right. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. 47. Yeah. On the 10-second. There's a bear volume on a 10-second right above me, but I guess it's probably going to get through that. Okay, so did you buy? Oh, but would you have bought? Okay, so maybe I will. Okay, I'll get in. See what this does. Not bad. Now I'm into that bear volume, but okay. There we go. Took 81. Yeah. Yep. No, no, of course. Yeah. Yep. Right. Right. All right. I'm going to devour the PDF, and I really liked playing with this. Can you help me get it on my futures, or you don't, or that's not gonna? Go to an open chart. Okay. Let's see. Open chart indicators. What's it called? Coda. Okay. No, don't see it. Nope. What's it called? Again, MGC. No, don't see that. Not really, no. Yeah. Moderators? The indicator just misled me again. Yeah. 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 Yep. Hang on. I'm in a trade still here. I reversed it, and now I'm trying to get out with as much as I can. Come on. Yeah, I'll take that. 111. Okay, so did I do what? Yeah. 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 Yeah, I stayed there thinking it was going to go to the TP. Yeah, to the TP1. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. Right. Mm-hmm. Hang on, is there going to be another sell here? I'm still $200 negative, so I'm still trying to make it up for the day. Is this a sell? There's the sell entry. Okay, watch the rank go. Okay. Go, get ready to go. Yeah, Barenko says no. Okay, false alarm there. Not yet. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, here it comes again. When do you let me know when you go?
Can I talk to you right now?
No? I don't know. What do you need?
I was wondering if around 12:30 you can meet me downstairs and take the car back to the garage.
Yeah, hopefully. I might be sleeping, but
Can you sleep after?
What's that?
You sleep after?
Yeah. Like we can't just leave the car on the street.
I'll see if I can.
If you find a spot, if not, I'll do it. No problem. I'll stay. I'll stay awake. Okay, so still not giving the signal. Now we got a buy signal. So we taking the buy. Oh. All right. What are we doing here? How long do we give it? Yeah. We're also right at the WM3. Right. 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 Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna take this $12 because you know, I don't trust it's going up now. Yeah. Yeah. Punish you? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right. Mm. Mm. Oh, right. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. No. So invite only. I see SMC Elite. Is that the one that you're talking about? No, that's Smart Money Concepts. Yeah. I I see Coda Gold versus US Dollar Meter Pro, Coda Scalp Confluence, Coda Scalp Confluence Panel. Got 1 minute for 10. Wait a minute here. Did we get a sell signal? No. Now we should get a sell, right? Why no sell signal? There it is. There's the sell signal. Yeah, I think I will. Yep. We're at a little bit of a support, so I just want to make sure we break it. Ah, damn it. We're also heading right into another pivot. God damn it. Well, it's not one thing, it's another. What pivot is that? DM3. MGCM. Ah, yep. All right, let's see here. Coda. Under invite only? Oh, I don't see it. Hang on. Indicators, invite only. No, I just, mhm. Nope. I have my futures chart up, yeah. No, I don't see the new indicator. Okay, let's see. I'll just Coda. All right, let me duplicate this tab. Found it. Okay. Got it. Yeah. All right, let me grab that from here. Delete MGC. Okay, copy. Okay, I have it on, but it's not running properly on futures. It's I get that you know that what's that called? That exclamation, that red exclamation point. Yeah. Micro gold futures, June 2026. And the name of that chart is MGCM6. Or no. MGCM 2026. Okay. Let's try again. No. It's working on yours on the 10-second. It's not working on mine. Coda SMC Elite MGC. All right, let me go back again. Indicators. All right, I had to refresh indicators. Coda futures, got it. Okay. Yeah, hang on. Okay, let's see. No, not working. Nope. It says access error. It says this script is invite only. To request access, please contact its author. But I thought like you gave me access. That's how I saw it. Oh, you know what I need to do? I think I need to refresh this too. All right, let me try that. Hang on. How do I refresh this without? All right, I'll figure out later how to get it on. I have to refresh something and I can't get it refreshed right now. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yep. Hang on. Hey, I'm going to end the YouTube stream too right now. All right, bye YouTube. We'll catch you at 7:45 p.m. tonight for the Asia